back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Jewel Grabox from Feckin. So this is the box which I've got, and this box is for October month. So let's just quickly open this and see what all it has. As I've said, Jewel Grabox. So yes, it's a jewelry subscription box. The price for this one is 499 rupees. I will be mentioning everything in the description box, the buying link and everything. And in the end, I will be attaching a lookbook. So stay connected for that. And now let's see what all it has. First thing is the info card. So this is the info card. It says October Jewel Grabox. And here we have the list of all the products here. So let's start with the first one. I mean, not the product, the jewelry here. So the first one is the peacock neck piece, and the price for this one is 400 rupees. And this is how it looks. You can just see it's so pretty. So let me just wear it and show you the look. Wow. So this is how the neck piece look. You can just see peacock design here. So 3 peacock this side, 3 peacock this side with this beautiful neck piece. Yes, I'm liking it a very because of the this peacock thing. I guess this is giving a very rich look, and this is really pretty. So yes, I like it. Very happy with this one. 400 is the price. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a feather earring, but for that I have to remove my neck piece. Okay, so next one is a feather earring. And the price for these are 150 rupees, and the color is really pretty. It's very colorful. So yes, I'm loving it. You can just see it's multicolor. Let me just wear one and show you the look. Of course, they will look really nice with, I guess, with any color. They are looking stunning with my black top right now, and you can just wear them with anything because it's multicolor. But on white, on black, on solid colors, this earring will look really nice. 150 is the price, and this is how they look. Really pretty. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is mini tassel earrings, and the price for this one is 120 rupees. They are, as the name says, mini tassel, and the design here is quite Indian, so they will look really nice with kurtis, with suits. Now let me just wear one and show you the look. So this is how the earring look. You can just see because of this tassel, this is giving a really good color here, and at the same time it has this gold look here, so they will look like quite rich and sophisticated kind of earring. Same time they will add some color here. So yes, I like it. Overall a good pair. 120 is the price for this one. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is white beads earring, and these are like quite heavy, I would say. Not heavy in the weight, but the look you can see. So they will look really nice with heavy suits. Again, they are like peacock design. You can just see peacock design here. So they will look really pretty with white tassel. Let me just wear, not tassel, with white motifs, you can say. White beads, you can say. Let me just wear one and show you the look. The price for these one, wait, I will tell you first. Let me just wear it, and then I will tell you the price. The price for these are 300 rupees. Yeah, that's why I was saying they are like quite, the look is quite heavy. So you can just wear them with your heavy Indian outfits, with your suit, with your lehenga, with your sari, and they will look stunning. So this is the look. Really pretty. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a beautiful ring, and the price for this one is 100 rupees. This is the ring you can see here. Let me just wear it and show you the look. I'm already wearing a ring. Let me just rotate that. Okay, so this is the design. I have like 2 or 3 rings like this, I guess. Not very similar like this, but yeah, somewhere close to this one. But I like it. They give a really nice look. Oxidized silver is the color. 100 rupees is the price. Now moving on to the next one. The next one are festive oxidized earring, and they are again quite heavy, not in terms of weight, but in terms of the look. So just see. So these are oxidized silver earrings, and you can just see the look. They will give a very nice look. So you can wear them again with your heavy Indian wear, with saris, with suits, with lehengas. They will look stunning. And it has this red shade here, so you can actually mix and match. So red hair, and this one is like not really gold, but yeah, silver and some light gold kind of a shade. Let me just wear it and show you the shade. Oh, not the shade, but show you the earring, the design. So this is how it looks. And the price for this one is 350 rupees. This is the design. Really pretty. Now let's move on to the last one. The last one are these metal earrings. And these are the leaf pattern. Okay. So metal leaf earrings, I would say. The price for these are 130 rupees. Let me just wear them and show you the look. So these are plain metal earrings. They will go with everything, with Indian, with Western, with tops, with dresses. They are quite safe kind of earring. So this is the last earring which I have got in my jewel grab box for October month. As I've said, I will be attaching a lookbook in the end, so stay connected for that. And that's all what I've got for jewel grab box this time. I will be mentioning everything in the description box. So yes, if you want to place the order, go find the link in the description box. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.